Okay. Come on, Darwin. Come around, Darwin. 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 Good. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Good boy. We're proofing Darwin's sit, down, and stand. And we're introducing bow. And we're introducing spin. I'm using currently a word, come around. And I'm using my hand as a target to guide him. Down. I'm also trying to gain some distance. Down. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Darwin, stand. Darwin, bow. Good. Good boy. Darwin, come around. Come on. No. Darwin. Come on. I'm just what I call kick-starting him. Sit. Down. Sit. Good boy. Using slow dining. Good boy. Good. Good job. Down and stay. Good all the way. Good paying attention. Sit. Down. Sit. Good boy. Okay. Darwin, stand. Good. Bow. Good job. Darwin, come around. Wrong, Darwin. Wrong, Darwin. Come on. Come around, Darwin. Darwin. Okay, come around. Come around. That was my fault. I don't have Darwin going in this other direction. Sit. Down. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good job. Stay. Stay. Wrong, Darwin. Down. And stay. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Good job. Very good. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Darwin, sit. Stand and bow. Wrong, Darwin. Bow. Good boy. Okay. Come around, relax. And sit. Good boy. Darwin. Back up. Good. And catch. Go find it. Back over here, buddy. Come on. Back up. Back up, Darwin. Catch. Come on. Darwin. Back up. Good boy. Now catch. Good catch. Catch. Good catch. Catch. Good boy. Catch. Good boy. Catch. Catch. Find it. Hurry up. Come on. Come around. Back up. Stand. And stay. That's our cue. Stay. Good boy. Catch. Find it. Throw in. Stay. Back up. Catch. Stay. Good stand. And catch. Good boy. Catch. Good job. Okay, we're done.